Using signal phrases in APA style. Smooth and credible. Hello learners. Today, we are diving deep into the world of APA citation style. One key component of writing using this style is the use of signal phrases. It not only makes your writing flow but also introduces quoted and paraphrased material in a way that integrates your sources seamlessly into your writing. Stick around to master this crucial skill. Signal phrases are introductory phrases that identify a quotation or paraphrase. Think of them as a way to signal to your reader that you are about to present someone else's ideas. They usually include the author's name and some verbs. For example, according to Smith, 2020, the importance of signal phrases cannot be understated. 1. Clarity. They provide a smooth transition from your original thoughts to someone else's ideas. 2. Credibility. They allow you to attribute the information to its original source, building trust with your readers. 3. Variety. Using a mix of signal phrases prevents your writing from becoming repetitive. When using signal phrases in APA style, variety is key. Here are some common verbs you can use. Argue, assert, claim, emphasize, note, observe, point out, suggest, write. For instance, Johnson and Lee, 2018, emphasize the need for diverse teaching methods. 1. Vary your signal verbs. As mentioned, don't always stick with says or states. Add variety to make your writing more engaging. 2. Placement. While it's common to place signal phrases at the beginning of the sentence, they can also be placed in the middle or at the end for variety. 3. Tense. APA style generally recommends using the present tense or present perfect tense when using signal phrases. For example, researchers have noted the significance of hands-on learning. And there you have it. Signal phrases are an integral part of APA writing style, helping to integrate external sources smoothly into your writing. We hope this lesson has illuminated the importance and usage of signal phrases. Keep practicing, and soon it'll be second nature. Happy writing!